Okay guys, welcome back to BJRS Official. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to earn on Incosify daily tags or sponsored post. So this is what I'm going to be showing you on this video. And secondly, I am also going to be showing you how to apply for a loan on Incosify. So if you want to apply for a loan, here is what you have to do. First off, let's start with how to earn from Incosify sponsored post. So if you want to earn on the sponsored post, all you have to do is to come right there, just click right there. So after clicking right there, click the second options, which is daily task. So after clicking on it, you are going to check for the current post as of today. This is the current post, understand? Today's post, that's the current post for the day. Now tap on open. So after clicking on open, you see that this post carries an earning tag which is €1, and €1 is equivalent to 2,000 naira. So by sharing this, I'm going to earn €2,000 or 2,000 naira from it. So all I have to do is to scroll down. You can read the information that comes with it, or you may just so in order for me to earn, I will just have to click on perform task and earn. Just tap on perform task and earn, and it's going to redirect you to any social media account that has been linked to it. So let's wait for it to open like this. You see, so it takes me to the Incosify influencers group. So if you don't join the group, you can just join the group, and that's all. You are going to earn from it, understand? So if it takes you to TikTok, YouTube, just subscribe or like the post, understand? That's all you need to do. Now go back. You can go back to the platform. So after going back to the platform, let's go back again. Let's go back and refresh. Understand? Say you see it, right? You see that my balance has moved from that €4.45 to €5.45. Let's go down to the earning history. You see, this is all you have to do, understand? So that's it. You don't need to waste your time. That's just how to earn from the daily task or sponsored post. Now for you to apply for a loan on Incosify, here is what you have to do. Just click go right here. After clicking on it, navigate to loan. Okay, now I think I'm going to make this on my next video, because I don't want this video to be very long. I am going to make another video showing you how to apply for a loan. So if you want me to make that particular video, make sure to type loan on the comment section, and I am going to make the video right away. So that's just it. On my next video, I am going to be making a video on how to actually apply for this loan. So if you found this particular video helpful, don't hesitate to like this video, share this video to others, and subscribe to this channel. Most important thing, disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purpose. So any shows on this video varies based on individual effort. So before you opt into this opportunity, make sure to make your own personal research. Make sure you know the system very well before you opt in. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.